Picking the right face mask can be daunting. There's disposable masks, half masks, full masks, P2s, P3s. There's a lot of choice out there, and if you don't get it right, you're going to risk your day's wages, or even worse, your health. We're going to take a look at Dewalt's latest range of masks and go over some of the things you need to look out for when buying. First up are disposable masks. These are designed to be used for a single shift and then thrown out when you're done, or if they're heavily contaminated with dust. Now we have two types here, one with P2 protection and one with P3 protection. P2's for workplaces with moderate dust levels, so if there's a fair bit of sanding and plastering going on, then get a pack of these ones. P3 masks offer even greater dust protection, so if your job site's starting to look a little bit like the set of June, grab a pack of P3s. If you aren't sure, it's always safe to just get a pack of P3s because it's better to be safe than sorry. Most importantly, because I know a lot of you don't do this, throw it away after you've used it. These are one-hit wonders and not designed for repeated use. Next, we have half mask respirators. Now these ones are designed to be much more longer lasting than the disposables, which they achieve through filters which can be replaced. This means that you can tailor the level of protection you need on site by changing to a suitable filter, like an A2P3 filter which offers medium protection from natural gases on top of P3 dust protection. These are a great investment if you're finding yourself on dusty job sites a lot, and they offer a greater level of both comfort and protection. Now, respirators are fantastic for reducing the risk of industrial pollutants in the air, but they can't do much against a brick. So grab yourself a full face mask respirator and you'll have an impact resistant visor to protect yourself from any debris, as well as the protection of the half mask respirators that we just spoke about. And finally, we have the heaviest duty of protection that Dewalt offer. First is the powered respirator with a hard hat. Here you're getting P3 protection, full face protection, head protection, and even hearing protection. You'll also notice that this one is battery powered, and that's because you're not wearing the respirator over your mouth. Instead, it's acting as a sort of sealed environment around your head. Luckily, there's a handy LED indicator inside that alerts you to either low battery or low airflow so that you can be sure you're always protected. If you're on a heavy-duty work site and you need to cover all bases, then this one's going to be the one to grab. Now for all you welders out there, Dewalt also has you covered. Here we have essentially the powered respirator and hard hat, but this time it's got a bump cap to protect your face and your eyes when you're welding. The bump cap features a true colour ADF lens, so you'll be getting a realistic view and there will be less strain on your eyes. This is a perfect all-in-one solution when it comes to welding protection, ensuring you're safe from sparks, lights and the fumes that people often forget are released when welding. Ultimately, it's incredibly important to get the right mask for your job site. We've spoken about the risk you're putting your health at when you're not wearing the right PPE before, and the right respirators can go a long way to minimising these dangers. Dewalt have got a fantastic range available, but whatever brand you go for, just make sure you're actually using it. You can find our full range of respirators at its.co.uk.